Hello, my name is Szymon Kucharski and I'm expert manager in SaMASZ Poland. Today, I'm gonna present you our heavy class snow plow Alps 331. So the very first thing you need to do with the machine is to connect it to the tractor. So this particular plow has fixed hitch, which is mounted on the Category 2 3-point attachment system of the tractor. Here through the lower links and here through the top link. Instead of presented here fixed hitch, we can also use a different type of attachment system which uses mounting frames. These frames enables to mount the machine onto various types of the carriers, like skid steers, telehandlers, or for example, front end loaders. In this specific connection, we have a centrally mounted pivot pin that enables for transverse ground contour following for the range plus minus 5-6 degrees. So let's move to the safety features. We have here a trip clearing edge. So when hitting an obstacle, it just trip like that, so it makes no damage. What is also important, we have here 4 independent sections on them. Of course, you can adjust the force that engage the breakaway device to the conditions you are operating on. It is done on this spring bolt, and the force is measured with this special tool delivered together with the machine. All the necessary information how to set the force you can find on this decal here. The Alps plow we have today is equipped with rubber clearing edge, but we also offer polyurethane, steel, or even corundum ones. Another safety feature is this curb guard. It protects the plow from hitting the curbs. Let's move to the hydraulics. Just one hydraulic section from the tractor is necessary to operate this machine. We have here 2 hydraulic hoses connected, and they lead to this hydraulic block. This block is steered and controlled from the tractor's cab thanks to the control panel, and then this block distributes the oil pressure to the hydraulic cylinders so they can steer the wings. The Alps snowplow series can be optionally equipped with hydraulic overload protection system. This system is made of this valve and this gas accumulator. The main job of the system is to absorb the energy of hitting unexpected obstacle. So the machine is hooked up, the hydraulics are connected, next step is electrics. Here we have this electrical harness which leads to the tractor's cab. There it is plugged in lighter socket. Thanks to this harness, this solenoid is empowered as well as clearance lighting. Always remember to grease your machine. Here is the decal that informs us where the grease point is located. We need to discuss few important things which need to be done after the season and before the next season. So the very first step is to clean the plow thoroughly, so all the dirt will be gone. Then you grease the machine, and last but not the least is to leave the machine exactly in that position. In that position we have our hydraulic cylinders closed, so it means that piston rods are completely protected from the weather conditions. And then, prior to next season, remember to use the sealing cleaner dedicated for electronics, especially for this solenoid and for this electrical connection. SaMASZ plows can be equipped up to your needs. We have already discussed few optional equipments like various types of curing edges, or this overload hydraulic protection. So we move to this plate. If you want to keep the ground clearance, you just mount on this plate the support wheels or sliding skids of various types. Another optional equipment is a snow deflector. The snow deflector is mounted here at the top of the moldboard. It prevents from snow obstructing the tractor's windshield. For the needs of today's video, we used Alps with standard control system. But we also offer a multi-control system and multi-plus control system. They differ from each other with this hydraulic block and with a control panel which is located in the tractor's cab. So we are almost ready. We are in the tractor's cab, and the last thing which needs to be discussed is this control panel. This control panel belongs to a standard control system, as it was said before. So it is simplified. It only has two buttons. This button here is responsible for clearance lighting, when this button here at the bottom is responsible for steering separately each wing. When the left diode is on, you steer the left wing by the hydraulics. And when you hit the button and the right diode is on, you steer the right wing, also with the hydraulics. Thanks to this control system, we can set the plow into many working positions, so the customer can adjust the plow up to the needs and conditions he is operating on. Remember, if you have any questions or concerns, always refer to the operator's manual or contact SaMASZ directly. Thanks for watching.